name is Kylie, and I just had to hop on real quick and give my honest review on these Rubbermaid. They're completely airtight containers for storage. So as you can see, I have a variety of things in mind: rice, beans, sugars, pancake mix, all that good stuff. So some of the things I love about these is they are such a good hard plastic that are completely clear and see-through, so you can see what is inside. Also, love that they are airtight, and these clips are really easy to unclip, just like that. And then the lid pops off. And then as you can see here, this rubber on the edges is what makes it airtight. They look so nice in your cupboard. They keep organized, and they do kind of like stack on top of each other, as you can see here. They stack really nicely. So overall, these are amazing, come in a variety of sizes with the set. I would highly recommend these. We've loved them.